Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great week so far. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a couple of glam home decor DIYs that you can use all throughout the year. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying all the glam DIYs and let me know in the comments what you want to see next. We have our mirrored furniture series coming up very soon, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss them. For the first DIY, you'll need one foam board, 3 square mirror coasters from the Dollar Tree, a box cutter, a hot glue gun, and 3 packs of the rhinestone wrap from Hobby Lobby. I got mine for 50% off because that week they were having a sale, so if they're not on sale that week, make sure to use a 40% off coupon. You can always use the bling wrap from Dollar Tree, but for a couple dollars more, it makes such a beautiful statement. Starting off, I put the 3 square mirror coasters on the foam board and I traced it 4 times because I want 4 of these sizes to stack them. Now I'm going to trace one of the square mirrors 4 times because I'm going to use these to stack as well. Here's everything cut out. I lost footage when I was gluing the 4 rectangle foam pieces on top of each other, but it's pretty much self-explanatory. After the rectangular pieces were glued on top of each other, I glued the mirror on top, then one foam piece, and then another mirror right next to it. Then I grabbed more foam pieces to add in the middle to give it height. In total, I used 5 square foam pieces in the middle. This is how everything is looking so far. I wanted to give you a close-up. Now I'm going to add the final mirror on top of the foam piece. This is my favorite part because now I'm seeing my vision come to life. All I'm doing now is dropping the rhinestone wrap around the foam board and using hot glue on each end to secure it. This is how it looks so far after wrapping the rhinestone wrap. As you can see, there's a thin gap in the middle, so what I'm going to do now is cut a very thin piece of the rhinestone wrap and add it in the middle to cover the gap. Here's the final result, you guys. This DIY turned out absolutely beautiful. I'm super proud of it. It definitely has many uses and purposes. You can place your jewelry on top, add a set of candles, display desserts in your kitchen, or place lotions and soaps in your bathroom. The list goes on, and that's what I love about creating pieces that are so versatile. I told you guys in my last video that I was going to be doing a giveaway in this video, so here it is. I'm going to be picking 2 winners. Each winner will receive a set of these diamond bookends. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is be subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment down anything below. For an additional entry to this giveaway, you can follow me on Instagram. It's LG Queen Home Decor. I will be announcing the 2 winners 1 week from today. Thank you so much to everybody who's always been super supportive and very kind to me. I will be doing more giveaways because I really enjoy giving back to you guys. For the last DIY, you will need 8 silver framed mirrors, a drill, wood screws, black paint, a paintbrush, and wood from Lowe's. I'll have the measurements in the description box. I ended up not using the rhinestone wrap, but you can add it if you want to. This clip is from a previous DIY project, but it's exactly what my husband did to screw the nails in the wood to connect them. I forgot to record this part, that's why I'm using this clip. For some reason our drill was acting up, so my husband used a screwdriver and it worked just fine. I didn't add a bottom because I planned to use this in another DIY project, but I wanted to show you that it could be a beautiful flower vase. All you have to do to add the bottom is measure it, have the wood cut, and drill it on. Lowe's is amazing for cutting the wood for free. They will cut it for you as long as you purchase the plywood from them. Another thing that you will need is Gorilla Construction adhesive. I got mine from Walmart. Then I'm going to add a good amount of glue where the mirror will go and place it on top. It sticks to the mirror as soon as you place it on. After I glue these 2 down, I'm going to stand the wood and apply the rest of the glue and mirrors standing up. The reason I'm going to glue the rest of the mirrors with the wood base standing up is because the mirrors are very fragile, they could break. Next, I'm going to be painting the edges and the top where you can see the wood. You can paint before you glue the mirrors down, but I usually just paint when the mirrors are already glued on, and then I just wipe them clean with a damp paper towel and the paint comes right off. And here's how the mirrored flower vase turned out, you guys. The flowers that I have are very long, so if you have short stem flowers, you can definitely add plastic bags or wrapping paper to use as filler to give your flowers more height. I think that this piece turned out really beautiful and it looks really sleek with the black paint. You can add bling wrap on top of the paint or paint it white. There are so many ways that you can make this your own. This is just an example to help you get started. I hope you enjoyed these ideas. Let me know which one was your favorite. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching and for all your continued love and support. This concludes my video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway and you can have an additional entry by following me on Instagram. I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Take care.